Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the chapter wise weightage of math subject of class 10 for coming board exams. It will help you for doing preparation for your coming board exams. Means in which we will study in which chapter we need to focus more and which type of questions can be came from that chapter. Okay, so first we start from the first chapter, real number. There are four sections in the board exams question paper: section A, section B, section C, and section D. All sections holds different marks questions. Section A have all the questions of 1 marks. Section B have all the questions of 2 marks. Section C has all the question of 3 marks, and section D has all the questions of 4 marks. Means the total question section A hold is total number of question is 20, and in section B there are total 6 questions, and in section C there are total 8 questions, and in section D there are total 6 questions. Okay, then we start with the first chapter, real number. In this chapter in the board exams question paper there are 3 questions in section A. Means there are total 3 questions of 1 marks came in the exam paper. Okay, and for there are no 2 marks question came in exams, and in there are only one question of 3 marks, and again 0 questions of 4 marks. Means for real number we need to prepare for 1 marks question and 3 marks questions. Second chapter, polynomial. For polynomial we need to focus on question of 1 marks, 2 marks, and 3 marks. There are total 2 marks questions of 1 marks, 1 questions of 2 marks, and 1 question of 3 marks came in the board exam paper. Okay, so we need to focus on polynomial for total 4 questions, 2 of 1 marks, 1 of 2 marks, and 1 of 3 marks. Third chapter, linear equation in 2 variable. From this chapter there is only one question came of 1 marks, no question came of 2 marks, and again only one question of 3 marks came in exams, and again 0 question in section D, or if we can say there is no question came of 4 marks. Okay, so we just discuss the quadratic equation. For quadratic equation there is no question came in section A, section B, and section C. Means for quadratic equations there are only 4 marks question came, and that is 1. Means we need to prepare for question of 4 marks for quadratic equations. The fifth chapter is arithmetic progressions. For the arithmetic progressions there are first in section A there is 1 marks question came only 1, and for 4 marks question there is only one question came. So we need to prepare for this chapter question of 1 marks and 4 marks. Chapter 5, arithmetic progression, AP. For the AP same we need to do the question of 1 marks and question of 4 marks. We need to focus on both sections A and section D for the AP. The sixth chapter is arithmetic progressions. For the arithmetic progression we need to focus on again section A and section D. Means we need to prepare of question 1 marks and 4 marks for this chapter, but here for the triangle chapter there is 2 question of 1 marks came in exams. Okay, the next chapter is coordinate geometry. From this chapter there is total 3 question came of 1 marks and 1 question of 3 marks. No question of 4 marks came in exams. Okay, the next chapter is some application of trigonometry, that is height and distance. The questions related to the height and distance, projection and angles. From this chapter the only question came that is of 4 marks. So we need to focus on the lengthy questions types of this chapter. The next chapter is circle. From the circle, there is 1 marks question. There is only one question came of 1 marks, one question of 2 marks, and one question of 3 marks came in exam. There is no 4 marks question came from the chapter circles. The next chapter is constructions. There is only one question came in section C of 3 marks. Means in construction, there is construction itself hold 3 marks only. The next chapter is areas related to the circle. In this chapter, from this chapter, there is one question came of 1 marks, one question of 2 marks, and one question of 3 marks came in exams. So the next chapter is surface area and volume. From this chapter, there is only 4 marks question came, and the number of question is only 1. Okay, it means the surface area and volume holds 4 marks, and it would be the lengthy questions. This depends on the formula and some techniques. The next is statics. Statics itself hold section A and section D. Means the one question came of 1 marks and one question of 4 marks came in exams. The next and last chapter is probability. From probability, there is 2 question came of 2 marks and 2 question came of 2 marks. Means there is only section A and section B consists the probability questions. There is no questions in section C and section D related to the probability. So here, in this way, this is the weightage and chapter wise analysis of the maths class 10. Okay guys, thanks for watching complete video. If you had liked the video, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and share with your friends. If you want the online classes, then please comment below. Thank you.